Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to make all cells the same size in Google Sheets. If you want your entire spreadsheet to match a specific column and row dimension, you must first identify those measurements. Begin by right-clicking your target column and selecting Resize Column. Note the number shown. Here it is 156. Then click OK. Next, right-click the specific row you want to replicate and select Resize Row. In this case, the height is 46. Remember that value and hit OK. To apply these settings globally, select the entire sheet by clicking the empty box in the top left corner. Right-click the row headers, choose Resize Rows, and enter the number you recorded, which was 46. Click OK to confirm. Now, highlight all the columns. Right-click a header and select Resize Columns. Enter the original width of 156 and press OK. Your cells are now perfectly uniform across the entire sheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.